Have you ever written a good prompt, but ChatGPT still gave you a bad answer? Too long, too generic, or just completely off? Most people think the only solution is to start over. That's wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to fix bad ChatGPT answers instantly without rewriting your prompt. Section 1. Why ChatGPT sometimes fails. ChatGPT doesn't fail because it's weak, it fails because it's guessing what you want. When it gives a bad answer, it's actually asking, "Is this what you meant?" Instead of restarting, you should guide it. Section 2. The number one mistake people make. The biggest mistake is saying, "No, that's wrong." That gives ChatGPT zero direction. AI improves through feedback, not rejection. Section 3. Fix method number 1. Narrow the scope. ChatGPT output problem. Too long, too much explanation. Fix prompt. Make this shorter and focus only on actionable steps. You're not changing the topic, you're refining the output. Section 4. Change the perspective. If the answer feels generic, change the role. Example. Rewrite this as if you're explaining it to a complete beginner. Or, rewrite this for someone with experience. Same content, different intelligence level. Section 5. Real example, daily use. Let's say ChatGPT gives boring advice about productivity. Instead of restarting, say, "This sounds generic. Give me a more realistic version with real-life examples." You'll immediately see more depth, better tone, more human results. Section 6. Fix method number 3. Control the format. Sometimes the answer is correct but messy. Fix it like this. Turn this into a checklist. Or summarize this into 5 bullet points. Or give me a step-by-step plan. You're turning AI into a tool, not a writer. Section 7. Fix method number 4. Ask for iteration. This is a pro move. Say, "Improve this version," or "Make this clearer and more persuasive." ChatGPT is designed to iterate, not just respond once. Now you know how to fix bad answers fast. This is where ChatGPT becomes truly powerful. Subscribe to FutureMind AI for weekly AI news and practical tutorials on how to use AI tools in work and life.